Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we are going to dive right into one.com, which is a popular web hosting as well as a domain registration service website. So if you are a beginner looking to get started with creating your own website, this is a great option. So let's take a look at what it has to offer and what you can do with it. So for the first step, of course, we're gonna want to go to the website here at one.com, which is, well, you can find right here up top. Once you are here, you'll notice that at their homepage, it provides a clear and user-friendly interface, as you can see right here. They also offer a wide range of services, including domain registration as well as web hosting and web building tool. Let's go ahead and try to actually see and if we can make our own website using this service here. So first things first, we're gonna try to log in if we have an account, or if we don't have an account, we'll just have to quickly sign up. All right, so now we are loaded up onto, we'll just skip that for now. So now we are here on the dashboard. We can see all the different things that we can change. So here it's kind of highlighted what we are able to adjust. We can move this around. We can also add a section if we want to here. This is the name of the website. We can also add buttons here at the top. And as we can see here, we can change the text, change the paragraph, as well as the text layouts. So here we can see all of this. There's also the reviews down here. If we want to keep that, we can also remove that and add something else. You'll be able to add text and images here, as you can see there. And you can also change the styles, specify which ones you want to change the text of. And then here you can have all your images. Here we have nothing yet, just the stock ones that are currently already on the template. So if you have a template, you will have all of those ready to go. But if you are starting from scratch, you can just click image and then just upload your own. So add to page right here. You can also get from one.com themselves. They have a lot of options here for photos, depending on what kind of specific website you want to make. There's also Shutterstock as well. So there's a lot of options for changing the background or sorts of images you want to show on your website. So now let's go ahead to the gallery here. This is what the website is going to look like to the people who are going through it. So we have the squared ones here. Or we can also have a more rounded, circled, or ones with captions. We could even have ones with image sliders, so it's kind of more like a presentation. So let's try this real quick. And we can add a slider type of, so here we can show different kinds of food, and it'll have a button here to go through the different kinds of things that are available for your website, whether it be food or something else. So we can Control Z to undo things, and so that way if you accidentally do something, just Control Z it. And then you can also add videos if you want. So you can embed YouTube videos as well as Vimeo, or you can just upload one yourself from your computer. And here you can also change the color scheme of the button layout here. So this is the primary one, secondary, and alternate. You can also change the styles if you want. Change the font. You can change the corners. You can make it bold, italic, and the different sizes. So here we have rounded corners currently selected, but you can change that to however you want. And then here we also have the different sections of the website. So here you'll be able to go through the different parts of the site itself and change each one of them depending on how you want it to function, as well as what you want to show or inform your audience or the people who are going through the site. And then here you can also go and change the containers as well. have different kinds of things here. And then the contacts as well. You can change the icons, I believe, or just change the number and information that is in there. These will all be different based on the template that you use as well. And then here we have the social links, so you can have all social media, as well as just YouTube and a bunch of other sites that you can add on to your website. Of course, there's also widgets here, so you can have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, depending on what you want to put on your website. PayPal for those payment options if you are selling stuff, and a few others as well. Spotify, if you want to add Spotify, or SoundCloud if you want to add music, and then obviously Google Maps or Bing Maps for those who want to show where their businesses are located. So if you are an online shop, they do have widgets for that as well. So you'll be able to customize all your options for your websites. As for the more button here, they can just you can just change your logo if you want. You can change the navigation tool here, and you can also change the code as well as table and documents based on what you need for your website. And then once you're done with that, you can just click publish up here, or you could even preview it before you publish it, so that you can check if everything is working smoothly, or if it looks great and the way that you want it to. So now we can go back to editor. We could even actually preview this based on what it looks like via phone or mobile, and you'll see how it looks through there, which is kind of nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and go back to the editor, and then up here, yeah, you can also undo or redo something, and you can back it up your website if you want to save a specific or particular progress that you've made with making your website. And then you can also do other things, delete these sections as well. You can duplicate them and move them around, and of course your save button up here. And then here you can also go through and see all the different websites that you are making currently. So here you have home, work, about, contact. These are the different parts of the site itself. So we're currently at home, as you can see with the orange. But if we move here, you can go through that part of the site. But we can also add more pages here if you want to add more, and then add link to the site menu itself. As for the help button here, it's just for quick tour sections, keyboard shortcuts, as well as guides for anything that we missed in this video. So yeah, that's about it for that video, for this website. Hopefully this was helpful in letting you create your own domain or your own website using one.com. And if there's anything that we missed, please let us know in the comments below. And yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe as usual. See you again next time. Goodbye.